Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, expand it, and find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which is right over here. And before you tap on it, I do advise you to hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it works. So at the top we have the actual toggle for it to turn it on or off. Then we have a schedule, which this one is just some preset one, Saturday and Sunday apparently. And it starts at 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. But you can also add your own. Select whichever day of the week you want it to work in and start and end time. And from there, once you toggle, check it as finished, it will automatically become enabled. And then also below that we have the allow interruptions, so calls, everyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. So select which one you want. Then messages has the same option, so again select which one you want. And then we also have repeated callers at the bottom, which will allow someone to reach you if they call you twice within a 15-minute period, completely bypassing the first option here for the calls. So even though there is no one that's supposed to reach us, this will allow them to still do so, and it's a good option in terms of emergencies. So yeah, I advise you to keep it on. And outside of that, that's basically all the settings we have, so we can leave this right now and basically never come back to it if you don't want to change any settings. And from there you can tap on the toggle at your will to enable it, and this will toggle it on, toggle it off by just tapping on it again. Or also if you set it up as a schedule, it will turn on and off automatically, so you don't actually have to do anything. And that is how you would set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.